Welcome back to Technify, your destination for everything drones, innovation, and cutting-edge tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the drone world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. After weeks of speculation, leaks, and teasers, DJI's newest ultralight powerhouse is finally ready to soar into the spotlight. The excitement around this drone is sky-high, from early glimpses of its refined design to full test flights already making waves online. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just another upgrade. It's a statement of how far compact drones have come. DJI has managed to balance power, intelligence, and portability in a design that's lighter than ever. And yet, it promises the kind of performance you'd expect from a full-sized professional drone. So, buckle up, because today on Technify, we're exploring everything that makes the Mini 5 Pro the next big leap in aerial innovation. The DJI Mini 5 Pro takes everything pilots loved about the Mini 4 Pro and refines it into a sleeker, more capable machine. From the first glance, the body feels premium, aerodynamic, and well-built. DJI's signature craftsmanship shines through, giving the Mini 5 Pro a polished edge while keeping it under the magical 249-gram limit. That means easy flying in most regions without registration hassles. A huge win for creators and travelers who want to get up and flying instantly. Power it on, and the Mini 5 Pro immediately shows that it's a major evolution. The enhanced flight stability is noticeable right away. Smoother transitions, sharper directional response, and improved hovering precision. DJI's multi-directional obstacle detection system has been upgraded with smarter vision sensors, giving pilots an extra layer of safety in complex environments. Whether you're weaving through urban spaces or gliding above nature, this drone feels confident and incredibly stable in the air. Early tests reveal that the Mini 5 Pro delivers an outstanding flight experience. Fluid control, minimal drift, and an ultra-responsive joystick feel. DJI has introduced new twist-style quick-release propellers, designed for faster setup and quieter operation. A printed noise rating on the underside ensures compliance with EU noise standards, but early impressions suggest it might be even quieter than advertised. Perfect for capturing serene landscapes or stealthy cinematic shots. Battery endurance has also seen a massive leap. DJI's intelligent flight management system now pushes longer airtime while maintaining temperature and performance stability. This means creators can stay focused on their craft without constantly worrying about recharging. With multiple batteries available in the Fly More setup, long outdoor sessions are finally practical. Then there's the RC2 controller, one of DJI's best yet. Featuring a bright built-in display, it eliminates the need to connect a smartphone. You can simply turn it on, connect, and fly. No cables, no distractions, just pure focus on the skies. The tactile controls feel premium, and the interface is quick, intuitive, and responsive, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The imaging system is where the Mini 5 Pro truly shines. DJI has refined its camera technology with a new generation sensor that offers better low-light sensitivity, sharper details, and richer color accuracy. The footage seen so far has that signature DJI cinematic look, buttery smooth stabilization, vivid tones, and stunning clarity. Whether you're shooting mountain ranges, city skylines, or family adventures, the Mini 5 Pro is built to deliver breathtaking results. And yes, that C0 label is still proudly displayed, confirming that despite its pro-level power, the Mini 5 Pro remains ultralight and regulation-friendly. Combine that with its quiet operation, powerful camera, and long-lasting endurance, and it's clear DJI is pushing the limits once again. Interestingly, DJI is also teasing what looks like a brand-new DJI 360 drone, featuring a rotating panoramic camera and next-gen obstacle sensors. If true, it's another bold move toward the future of aerial creativity. But for now, the spotlight truly belongs to the Mini 5 Pro, the perfect balance of innovation, power, and freedom. Wraps up our deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that's not just an upgrade, but a complete reimagining of what an ultralight drone can do. With its refined design, longer flight time, advanced camera, and smarter controls, it's clear DJI is once again setting the standard for the industry. This is more than a drone. It's an experience. Whether you're a filmmaker chasing cinematic shots, a traveler capturing the world from above, or a beginner ready to take flight, the Mini 5 Pro is built to inspire. We're counting down the days until it officially takes to the skies, and you can bet we'll be covering every update right here. So, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because at Technify, we're just getting started. The future of flight looks brighter than ever.